Hi, so today we got this Turkish Airlines Airbus A330-223 that is going from Istanbul to Paris. Its registration number is Tango Charlie Dash Juliet India Oscar and its flight time is 2 hours 57 minutes. This flight was taken on May 24, 2006 and the speed of the playback is 20x. It's now flying over Belgium, then it will enter France, where it will land at Paris Charles de Gaulle. Istanbul is an important city of Turkey and Paris is the capital of France. It has now landed at Paris Charles de Gaulle International Airport. So yeah, bye.